Hello, and welcome back to another video. By the way, this isn't a low-quality video, don't leave yet, but I had to record my laptop screen with my webcam, actually, because editing these settings doesn't work very well when you're recording with a video recorder. So, as you can see right now, on the screen is my laptop. It's the screen. If I put my hand in front of it, you can see my hand. So, I think the problem that you guys came here for is, as you can see by my screen, the edge of my laptop is right here. But then I have this, like, black space right here that goes from here all the way to the edge of my laptop. And, you know, that kind of messes up the display and everything on your laptop. So, as you can see, it's super, like, small and everything, and it shouldn't look like this. So, how do you fix this? So what you're going to do is go on your laptop or desktop, it works on either one, and just right-click. And what you're going to do is select Display Settings, which is going to be like your settings thing, but for your display. And then if you have several displays, make sure the one that's small is selected, the one that has the edges on it is selected. And then what you're going to do is go down until you get to this display resolution setting. From there, what you want to do is, no matter what it's on, it can be on any of these, what I want you to do is go to the top and set it to the recommended one, or whichever one has the recommended words next to it. Click that, press Keep Changes, and there we go. Your laptop is now full screen now, or your desktop. And as you can see, the edge of my laptop is here, and there's no black space. So, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you later.